Good morning, guys. So again, this is Aniket. I'm so sorry for not putting a log for so long. It's about 8 o'clock it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I was called by Brahma Motors for a DIY session. They had sent an invitation to everyone ideally, and it was supposed to start at 10, and it has started at 10. But I, as usual, am running late here. So I'm at Brahma Motors with my Himalayan, and look what's opposite to me. All the Himalayans here, and people have already started the DIY session, so we're going to rush in to make sure that we learn at least a bit today, right? So stay tuned. Here today for what? And this gentleman here, his name is Aditya, a very helpful guy. When you have to do anything with Royal Enfield and with Brahma Motors, this is the guy you need to contact. So Aditya, tell us, why exactly are we here?
So we're here for the Himalayan do-it-yourself workshop that we've been conducting. So I'll just give you all a brief description and what we are going to do today.
Okay.
So firstly, we'll be covering the accelerator cable and the clutch cable, which needs to be taken care of, and we need to see how it's to be replaced, as well as the clutch setting.
Okay.
After that, we'll be looking at the fuse, the electricals that come in consideration. Then we would be covering the tires, the front and the rear tires, that if there is a puncture or if there is an issue with the tire, the removal as well as the fitting of the tire will be covered.
Even especially during when we have punctures, not a lot of people would take off the tire. A lot of puncture walas won't be...
Regular puncture shops don't tend to, because looks a bit complicated. It's not so complicated, it just looks complicated being a disc brake, disc over there. So regular puncture people do not say that. They say कि नहीं हम नहीं करेंगे, हमको नहीं जमता है ये.
Exactly.
So that is where we should, that's where we need to know.
So guys, I was just told it's not actually a new location. It's just an extension to the facility that they have. The facility that they have can cater about 10 to 15 bikes, and store about 50-60 bikes. But they need more of that because they are one of the best showrooms that we have in Pune. Very helpful people. Most of Himalayans in Pune do get their bike serviced from Brahma Motors, and they have an extension that they've created now, or they have established now, which is very close to the previous one. I'll put in the location for this too for you guys. A lot of things, okay, with servicing and everything. This is your guy if you have to come here to Brahma Motors. Alright, the first thing I'm going to start with, what they've started with, is the fuse. So this is the fuse box that's right under the seat, and if you see there's an electronic or electrical failure in your bike, this is the first thing you'll have to check, as in what exactly are all the fuses right, what exactly is going wrong. And they also have spare fuses in there, so you can use them as well. It's always a good idea to carry a few of your own, apart from the ones that the company has provided. A few fuses of your own in your toolbox, just in case if you need them or anyone else does. So that's the first thing you'll check whenever you see there's any problem or any failure, electrical failure in your bike, and it's right under the seat. This is when the display gets locked.
टूल्स मध्ये पण आहेत हे मायनस आहे इससे भी चलेगा ब्लूटूथ मध्ये पण असतं नाही नाही त्यापेक्षा जेव्हा काही करतोय आपण पंक्चर वगैरे काढतोय तर सरळ सरळ एक
पेपर फोल्ड करून टाकायचं.
हो पेपर फोल्ड करून फुट्टा बिट्टा असल्यावर करून लावतो. कितीही त्यांनी काय केलं ब्रेक दाबलं काही होणार नाही, त्याला काही फरक पडायचा. मॅच व्हायला पाहिजे. एक मिनिट सर. ॲक्सेल,
स्पेसर,
वायसर नट,
खूप
हे सर्व राईट साईडला बसतं.
हां.
आता टायर लावतो.
याला किती जण लागतात आता हे काम?
दोन जण तर लागतात मिनिमम.
मला 10-15 मिनिट लागतात. तुम्हाला
1-1.5-2 तास.
सर्वात पहिले टायर लावताना सर स्पार्कल लावून घ्यायचा.
We don't want that practice.
चेन स्पार्कल बसून घ्यायचं. टायर बसून घ्यायचं. हा सुरुवातीला ये. यो बसला आपला चेन स्पार्कल. तो झाल्यावर प्रेशर बसून फ्रंट जस्ट
ये अपने नॉर्मल जो टूल किट में जो है उसमें है क्या कुछ ये खोलने के लिए? नहीं ना, ठीक है.
कैसे किससे खोलने का अगर जरूरत पड़ा
इसको नहीं लंबा नहीं, छोटा साइज आता है. छोटा रिंग आता है उसका. सर जी ने बोला कि अभी इधर डस्ट होता है करके, तो चेन अपन इधर से क्लीन करवा लेते हैं, लेकिन फिर से वो क्या होता है
बराबर
डस्ट लगता है. ये वजह से यहाँ पर क्लीन करना है तो फिर कैसा करना, तो सिर्फ आपको ये 2 बोल्ट खोल के ठीक है.
खूब
हाँ ठीक है, यही काम. बस
पत्थर लगाने का.
प्लेट को मत लगाना, पतला है. आपको लिक्विड होगा ना, लिक्विड में डाल देना.
So this is in air now because they have put in a jack here, and that's the reason why.
डॅमेज होता बस. प्रेशर
आणि मागचा आयडेंटिकल आहे का? सेम स्पेशल आहे.
नाही तो छोटा
इजी रे.
थँक्स टू संदीप अँड
थँक्स संदीप. अरे तो दुसऱ्याचं नाव नाही माहित. विश्वनाथ.
जर तुम्हाला कधी काही प्रॉब्लेम असणार आहे तर माझा नंबर घेऊन घ्या, तुम्ही कधीही फोन करू शकता.
भाऊ कधी बोलू नका, पोरले डेंजरस. It was a new location. It's just about a kilometer away from where the previous location was. The previous location was in Wakadewadi. This is right besides the Pune RTO, the main RTO office, and it's right besides it. So that's what it is, and it's a very decent facility, especially like Adi told us, it's especially for servicing and everything. So guys, if you have any problems with your Himalayan, be sure you come here. Right? Again, we're going to talk to a few riders here who have taken bikes. Now I have someone with me. His name is Akshay, and he's taken the bike recently. And Akshay, do you want to tell us about the bike? How has the bike been with you? How has it treated you?
Actually, this is one of the best decision which I have taken to get this bike. This is a very good bike. The only initial issues what I thought were the engine was like, it was quite, the temperature was too much.
Oh, okay.
It was getting heated too much. And another thing what I noticed, it was if you are driving the bike with low air in your tire, in that case, my back tire got punctured 2-3 times because of excessive heating of the tube.
Okay.
So my suggestion will be just ride the bike with proper air in the tires. That will be more helpful for you.
And are you planning for any Ladakh rides?
Next year.
Probably next year?
Yeah.
I'll be with him for sure. You know, let's do that. All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that was Akshay who told us he's a new owner of Himalayan, but let's just speak to someone who's been using Himalayan for about 1.5 years, and this is KP, short for Kumar. And so Kumar, tell us about this bike, you know, what exactly were the issues that you faced, what all has been changed on your bike?
So far, major issue that I'm still facing is the cone set.
Okay.
I mean, it's like, I guess it will be changed for the 5th time now.
Okay. But is that on the warranty?
That is all on warranty.
Okay.
2 साल का जो warranty है उससे पूरा covered है ये सब. And apart from that, magnetic coil गया हुआ था. That also they changed. And I mean, magnetic coil was a great story actually. I was going on a night ride up to Lonavala, and I was with my wife.
Oh my God.
Thankfully, seriously man, I mean thankfully we got it changed before Chinchwad. We could reach Chinchwad. तभी कटा, so I was safe. I mean,
अच्छा, मतलब city limit में ही हुआ?
City limit में ही हुआ thankfully, and RAS they really helped me out.
Okay.
Apart from that, magnetic coil change हुआ है. Apart from that, मेरा ये इसका oil cooler that अपना मलारगढ़ के राइड पे.
Correct.
तो वहाँ पे गिरा था जब, तो वो वाला फूटा हुआ था. I mean that was noticed after like some 1.5 years. Actually 1 year के बाद वो notice किया सबने. So they changed it right away. And apart from that, मेरा clutch setup, clutch tight हो रहा था तो वो change किया है.
इनका clutch का problem था यहाँ पे. I'm sorry. इस तरफ issue था. This is generally the issue with most of the Himalayans guys. जैसे ही नया गाड़ी आता है, so problem ये होता है कि clutch थोड़ा hard होता है. But the best thing about Royal Enfield, and even I assume that even he would agree, उनका service is too good. Himalayan का service, Royal Enfield का servicing been so good. Proactively चीजें replace करते हैं. आपका oil replace किया?
Oil replace वगैरह सब किया है. Yes.
So इनको पता चला कि there is an issue with the coil, and the company proactively started replacing the coils and everything. So that's it. Just one last question, Kumar. Are you happy with your decision of getting Himalayan?
Obviously. I mean, one of the most comfortable bike for long riding, and especially for pillion. I don't ride without my pillion. My wife is my pillion.
Oh,
तो
nice.
उसके बगैर कहीं जाना मतलब
नहीं हो सकता.
तो yeah, this is the one of my best decision ever for buying a bike.
Alright, so guys, you may have heard a lot of people saying it is the best decision, and trust me, it is, especially when it comes to service. I have a lot of other friends who ride different bikes from different brands, but Royal Enfield, it's not a paid thing that I'm doing right now, it's just proactive, and I do appreciate all that they do. They always have the sessions that have set up, the last ride, then this do-it-yourself session that we had today. And also in future, I think the Royal Enfield is setting up, I think it's next Sunday. Next Sunday in Wagholi, off-roading school.
Yeah, right. In Wagholi, yes.
Yeah, so in Wagholi there would be an off-roading school for about, morning 8 to 4 o'clock. They'll teach us correct. They'll tell you the basics of off-roading and everything. I've already registered for it, and let's see what happens.
Meet you there.
Yeah, I'll meet you there, and you guys would also be there with me. Right? Thank you.
Chalo, cheers.
Bye-bye. Cheers.